We have all been there, that sinking feeling when your recipe calls for butter, and you realize your kitchen is devoid for this essential ingredient. But fear not, I am Hannah from Blogging Good Food, and today we are tackling the butter shortage problem head on. It's easy to make your own butter at home. I will show you how. To start, gather your essentials: heavy cream, salt, a mixture or a jar with a lid, ice cold water, cheesecloth or a fine sieve. First of all, take your heavy cream and pour it into the mixer or jar. Make sure it's ice cold. This helps in achieving that perfect texture. Now, let's get mixing. Start the mixer on a low setting or shake the jar vigorously. As the cream thickens, you will notice it changing its consistency. Tip to deal with timing. If you find the process taking longer than expected, don't worry. Patience is the key. Occasionally, you might need to scrape down the sides of the mixture or shake the jar to ensure all the cream is being whipped. As you continue mixing, keep an eye out for soft peaks forming. This is the stage where the fat molecules in the cream start to separate from the liquid. If you are using a mixer, you can increase the speed at this point. Eventually, you will see a clear separation between the butter and buttermilk. Stop the mixture or shaking process and let's move on to the next step. Transfer your newly formed butter into a bowl. Now, it's time to rinse out the remaining buttermilk. Add ice cold water to the bowl and gently knead the butter. This helps remove any excess liquid and prevent spoilage. Practical tip: if you want salted butter, now's the time to add a pinch of salt and knead it in. This step is optional, but it adds a delightful flavor. To ensure the creamiest texture, strain your butter through cheesecloth or a fine sieve. This will catch any remaining buttermilk, leaving you with pure, velvety butter. Your homemade butter is ready to be spread on warm butter or used in your favorite recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures. For detailed recipes, kitchen product reviews, and more cooking inspiration, visit us at blogginggoodfood.com.